Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Spotify. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Spotify Technology is a Swedish audio streaming and media service provider. It offers digital copyright-restricted recorded music and podcasts, including more than 70 million songs from recorded labels and media companies. To sign up for Spotify, start by opening a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.spotify.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, this is the official website of Spotify. In order to sign up to a new account, go and click on the sign up button at the upper right. Now, you'll need to enter some of your information out here in this page. You can sign up to Spotify with the help of your Facebook account as well. To do so, click on this button that says sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with your email address. Enter your email address in the first text field. Make sure the email is valid since you'll need to verify your account anytime with the help of the email that you are going to provide. You'll need to confirm your email address. Type in the email address one more time. Now, create a password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon and reveal before moving on. In the next text field, enter a profile name, whatever you want yourself to be called as. The name will appear on your profile, so go ahead and choose it wisely. Now, select your date of birth from the drop down, type in the day and the year. Once you do that, select your gender from the options. Click on Share My Registration Data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. If you want Spotify's content for marketing purposes, then you can click on this box right here. If not, just leave it as it is and click on I'm Not a Robot at the bottom. Once you do that, finally, you can click on the sign up button. And with this simple step, you have been signed up for Spotify. That is how you can easily do it. You can go through the search tab and search for the songs, artists, or podcast. Create a playlist for your own and enjoy. That is how you can sign up for Spotify.
In order to log into Spotify on your PC, first, you can click open any web browser. Once you click open your web browser, in the search box type in spotify.com and search. This will take you to its official website. Now, in order to log into the account, you can click on the login button at the top right. But if you'd like to download the application and log in with your application for Spotify, you can click on the download link and on the next page, simply hit download and the download has begun. You can see it at the bottom left. What you'll need to do now is simply click open the file that has been downloaded and wait for the download to finish. You can also log in with the web browser version, or simply use the app in order to log into your account. I'm using the application in order to log in. So now, after you've done downloading the application on your PC, go and click on the login button if you already have an account. But if you don't, click on the sign up link and follow the instructions to register yourself to a new account. Once you click login, go ahead and log into your account by entering your email or your username associated with the account. Head over to the password text box and type in your password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. In case you don't remember your password, simply click on Reset Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember you, simply enable the button right next to Remember Me. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to turn off this box and finally click on Login. After you click on the Login button, you'll be logged into your Spotify account in just a few seconds.
Start by clicking open any web browser, and once you're in, go to the URL box and type in www.spotify.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account if necessary. If you're already signed in, from your upper right corner, click on the profile button. Click on Account. From the left-hand menu, click on Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password, your new password, and repeat the new password one more time in order to set a new password for your Spotify account. Start by entering the current password. If you want to double-check your password, click on this eye icon, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. Now, in the next text field, type in a new password you want to change to. After you're done, repeat the new password one more time. While creating a password, make sure your password is strong and try not to make your password too obvious and too easy to guess. After you're done, click on Set New Password. and your password has been updated. Next time you log into your account, remember that you recently changed your password. In order to be able to download music from Spotify, make sure you've downloaded the application on your desktop. Click open the application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, this is the home screen of Spotify. To download music, click open any music you'd like to download. You can search for a particular music by clicking on the search button from the left-hand side menu and search for a song. Type in your song's name and once you find it, click it open. Once you click it open, you'll be able to see a download button right here. Simply give it a click and the song will be downloaded. To be able to download the song, you'll need to have a premium subscription to Spotify. Once you do, you'll easily be able to download it on your device as well. That is how you can download music from Spotify application.
You can buy the Spotify gift cards from many leading electronic and retail stores. Your gift cards consist of PIN codes which you can enter and redeem for your Spotify. Click open the web browser first and go to the URL www.spotify.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Spotify account if necessary, and once you are done, go to the profile icon at the upper right and click it on. From the expanded menu, click on Account option. On the next page, you'll end up in the Account Overview section. Now, from the left-hand side menu, go all over the bottom of the page and click on Redeem. Now, carefully scratch off the pin cover of the back of the card on your gift card and simply enter the pin number or the code from your receipt. Make sure to type it in correct without missing any numbers. And after you're done, click on I'm not a robot and click on Continue to redeem your gift card. You can only redeem up to 18 months of premium on your account at a time, and the gift card is applied to your subscription payment starting on your next payment date. That is how you can easily redeem your Spotify account's gift card.
It's pretty easy to put a song on repeat on Spotify application. Go open your Spotify app on your desktop and sign into your account if necessary. Now, from your home screen, you can go to the search button and type in a song you want, or you can simply select one of the songs from your home screen. Simply select the song you want to put on repeat and give it a click. Once you do that, at the bottom of the page you'll be able to see Enable Repeat button. It looks like two arrows forming a circle and is next to the Fast Forward button at the bottom. Simply give it a click and it will turn green. If you give it a click one more time, then a tiny one will appear on it. To turn off repeat, simply click the button again and your repeat has been turned off. You can also click the repeat button once and it will turn green, but this time without a one icon. If you want to keep repeating the song, then make sure that it is turned on green without the one text. If you want to repeat it only once, then click it one more time and make sure that the one text has appeared. Simply disable the repeat by clicking on it one more time and there you go. That is how you can repeat a song on Spotify. You can only clear your recently played list on the desktop version of Spotify. Download Spotify application on your desktop, and once you do that, sign into your account first. Once you do that, from the home screen, go to the left-hand side menu and click on your library. In the library section, go to the drop-down at the upper right and click on Recently Played. The songs that you have recently played will be listed on this list. Click on any song and click on the three dots. Now, click on Delete in order to remove a recently played song on Spotify. After you do that, you'll see that it has been removed from your library. That is how you can remove recently played list on Spotify. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.